Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's Ceejaybrand here, and we're back with a brand new tech unboxing video for you guys once again. Now today we're going to be unboxing this FeelWorld camera field monitor. Previously, before we did unbox the newer, I think that it was like the NF or the F100 monitor, which is a pretty cool monitor. It did support 5K, but it was just too big and I didn't really like the quality of the screen itself. So we went ahead and picked this up today from BH Video. And photo and video, sorry. We picked this up today and we're gonna just unbox it and see if this is gonna be what we need. Now I've been having some mixed reviews on this as well. However, this does support 4K, so hopefully the quality from the Canon R would transfer over to this and we'll see a much better screen quality, or either similar to what we have on the side camera we do have. So let's go and get straight into the video. Let's unbox it, let's test it out. Let's go. All right, so we're gonna first start off by just sliding this thing out of here. Slide out the case, put that to the side. Then we got the FeelWorld box on the inside, the on-camera monitor. I guess that's what they call it instead of camera field monitor. That's probably just shows you age of the newer that we did purchase. And let's take this out of here. And first thing we come out here is going to be the monitor shade. This right here is like, let's say for instance, if you're outside and you got a lot of sunlight coming, you can just go ahead and wrap this around the field monitor itself, and it will ultimately look like this right here. Instead, that way you can see the screen still. And then we have our monitor right here. Let's put that to the side. We gotta save the main product for later. And we got some packaging. So this right here tells us exactly what's inside the package, which is pretty cool. So this does come with a monitor, the sunshade, HDMI cable, a tilt arm, and then also a manual. That's cool. So I got a tilt arm that I guess I'll be sending back probably. I just ripped this paperwork in here already. Take this out the way. Then we got our manual once again. Now this right here, they do recommend that you do use it with a camera gimbal. However, I probably won't buy another gimbal. I did take mine back, and just because I ain't want it. So here goes the tilt arm right here, so we can go ahead and connect that to the camera and have it sitting somewhere like that. And then we have our mini HDMI to big HDMI, or full size HDMI cable. So let's go ahead and get this thing turned on right quick. One thing I noticed, I don't have a battery. Wow, we don't have a battery. Wow. That's cool, I guess. I'm gonna see if I got a battery around here somewhere for this. No, I don't have a battery for this. Wow, I don't have a battery. Okay. That's strange. So I guess we will order a battery and continue later. Yeah, what's going on YouTube? It's literally almost a week later and we have finally got our products we need to make the FeelWorld work. So we got the LP970 big battery that we did need. Yeah, our F970 battery that we finally needed. And we also got the HDMI cable we needed for the camera that I have, which is the Canon R. We needed this micro versus the other ones, which is very much smaller. So, like I was saying earlier in the clips, we're gonna go ahead and hook this thing up to the camera and take a look at the graphics and just make sure that it's something that's worth keeping before it gets booted back to the store. So let's go ahead and get straight into it, man. I'm gonna hook it up and we're gonna just go ahead and grab the iPhone and record the rest of the clips off of that temporarily. You guys, so we got it all set up, and I will be honest with you, the freaking quality is so freaking good. Like the 4K-ness is on there. Like I can see the autofocus coming in and out. Only downside is this, I can't see if it's recording me, so I kind of have to use the built-in LED first and then come back and see it. But as you guys can see, we do have it set up on there, and once again, like I said, the quality of it is so freaking good. I love it. I mean, you guys can see it pretty clear. I mean, that's cool to me. I like that. The cool thing is the battery percentage is up there as well. I mean, hey, I like it, man. Yo, this is pretty cool. So yeah, I think that right there surpasses the test. All right, so we done recording on the phone right quick, and I can tell that I'm crooked. So let me fix my angle right quick. I don't know if it's crooked no more, but that's all I got for this video, man. Because I mean, like I said, I'm keeping it. That's how much I'm gonna keep it. I mean, the quality of it is very great. It's way much better than the freaking newer F100 we had, because that right there was like choppy. But then again, maybe I should try it on here again just to see, like, hey, was it this wall, because this black wall I got right here was so screwy. It messed up everything. Even to this day on the new camera, upgraded camera, the quality of it isn't even good, man. I'll be honest with you, it really isn't good. But anyway, you guys, that's all I got for today's video. Make sure you guys go ahead and read the description down below. I'll have much more features in there. Also, exactly where you can pick up this product. I was lucky enough to find it on BH Photo and Video for just $100, but maybe it costs just a little bit more now, because it was on like a small deal. I think it's like $129, $159 perhaps. One of those price ranges, but like I said, the link will be down below. But make sure you guys go to like this video, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell for some more daily content. Nah, not even daily content, man. I ain't gonna lie to you. Go to hit the bell for some more tech unboxing reviews. But until next time, guys, the brand is out. Peace.